Hello my dear friends, I am Santosh Kale, Assistant Professor, College of Engineering, Manipur DK, Baramati. Today we will discuss the shannon fano algorithm. Let us consider a problem based on shannon fano algorithm. The source of information A generates the symbols from A0 to A4 with the corresponding value of probabilities 0.4, 0.3, 0.15, 0.1 and 0.05. Encoding the source symbols using binary encoder and shannon fano encoder. Means we have to solve the same problem using the binary code and shannon fano algorithms. As seen on the screen, let us see first of all the procedure to solve the problem based on shannon fano algorithm. So in the first two columns, you have to arrange the symbols and the value of probabilities in decreasing order. This is the step number 4. After arranging the value of probabilities in decreasing order, next step, you have to make the partition in such a way that sum of probabilities in each partitions are same. Means you have to place the given 0.4 probability in the upper partition and remaining value of probabilities in lower partitions so that sum is nearly equal. Then assign the code word 0 to the upper partition and code word 1 to the lower partitions. In the next step, in the upper partition, only one probability it is present and the assigned code word it is 0. So stop the procedure of making partitions. But in the lower partitions, 4 probabilities are present and it is possible to make the partitions. So place the 0.3 probability in the upper partitions and remaining probability in the lower partitions. Assign the code word 0 to the upper partition and code word 1 to the lower partition. In this way, continue the procedure of making partitions and write down the code word by tracing the bits assigned to the value of probability. In the last column, observe in the last column you can get the shannon fano code. Now same problem is solved by using the binary code. You can get the binary code. But in the binary code, we have fixed length code and the length equal to 3 bits per symbol. But if the same problem it is solved by using the shannon fano code, we are getting the length of the code word it is variable. So shannon fano is a type of variable length source coding algorithm. So the next step we have to calculate the value of entropy, and we know the formula to calculate value of entropy. It is minus summation j varies from 0 to total number of symbols. So it is 4. 0 to 4 means 5 symbols, and you can multiply probability into the log to the base of probability. You can get the value of entropy and calculate the value of average code word length. So formula it is summation I varies from 0 to total number of symbols, it is 4. Ci, value of probability, it is multiplied with Li, total number of symbols present in the code word. So for the binary code, 3 bits are present in the code word. So it is 3 and you can multiply with remaining value of probability. So you can get the 3 bits per symbol. It is the average code word length, and you can calculate the efficiency. So you can get the 67% efficiency. So if you solve the same problem by using binary encoders. Now this is the code tree by using the shannon fano code. you can observe this is the code tree. Code was starting from A0 to A4, and you can get the different code. A0 it is 1, A1 it is 10, A2 it is 110, and 1110 for A3, and all the ones for A4. Now, once again you can calculate the average code word length for Shannon fano code, and it is observed that it is 2.05 bits per symbol, and the efficiency it is 98%. So we can get the greater value of efficiency if you solve the same problem by using the Shannon fano code. So this is the comparison. If you solve the problem by using binary encoder and Shannon fano code, so Shannon fano code can give the greater value of efficiency. Now let us take some another example. Here we have 4 symbols and the value of probabilities are like that 0.4 and remaining values are 0.2. So you can solve this problem by using the highest probable and lowest probable methods, where you can get the value of entropy same for both the types, but you can get the different value of average code word length. Code word it is different, and therefore there is a chances to get the different value of efficiency. So as an trial and error basis, you can solve the same problem by using the highest probable and lowest probable methods and calculate the value of efficiency, and you can make the conclusion which method it is better, whether it is highest probable or whether it is lowest probable, so that you can solve the problem to maximize the value of efficiency. So this is all about Shannon fano code. Thank you very much.